Okay, hey people, we got a short video here. I was with my wife tonight. We went to Fleet Farm to look things over. We picked up a couple t-shirts for me and some horse liniment. We also checked out the ammo supply, or shall I say the lack of ammo supply there. They had 25 auto. They had about, I'd say 10 boxes of that. And the rest were shotgun ammos. They had some 30-aughts, one bag of 30-06 brass for reloading. And not much of anything else. They had all the, well, not all the rifles. They had quite a few rifles there, including Henry's. They had the Heritage Rough Rider revolvers there. They had some Taurus revolvers there. But basically no ammo for them there. But you could pick up t-shirts, Carhartts, lawnmowers, and things like that there. But the ammo supply is still kind of shy there at Fleet Farm. We'll see how things go within the next couple of months, and I'll give you a heads up on that. And no, I didn't do any videoing in the store because like most stores, they kind of frown on it. And proof I was there at Fleet Farm so that YouTube can't say false advertisement. Well, they screwed up on that one bird video, I'd say. Because even my brother looked at it and didn't find anything wrong with that. Unless we're not supposed to show robins on the YouTube. If that's it, I'd challenge everybody to do a bird watching video just to tick off their algorithm. Anyway, I'm Henry. You have a good evening now, and we'll talk with you later.